was great, but I thought we told you we wanted you to read for the role of Chief Hopper. You know what? Never mind. This is great. We'll just do this. And where'd you get that shirt?
I made it. Yeah, sure. The Duffer Brothers never specifically asked me to audition for 11, but I think that I added a dimension to the character that, I don't, I don't think he's in the firefighter pot.
Did you just make your nose bleed?
Yeah.
David 11.
Some stuff we know about 11 at this point, some stuff we don't.
I was putting pure gold on that tape. And, look, I'm not bitter. I mean, Millie did an okay job playing 11. But my 11 was...
She's just letting him die in the Upside Down. For all we know, she's the monster. Monster. John Mask! Okay, so for the next scene, there's more. So the next one is a non-violent scene where Aladdin goes to the waffle store and she steals some egg. Give me goddamn waffle! Cut. Where'd you get the wig and dress?
Stranger Things was great. Thank you, Duffer Brothers, for putting me in it. But look, hey, if you want real 80s hardcore sci-fi, I want you to check out my new Netflix series coming next fall.